Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Huntington debit card using mobile wallet. Easy setup, step by step, clearly. To activate your Huntington debit card using a mobile wallet, first, ensure you have your mobile wallet app installed. Open the mobile wallet app on your smartphone. Select the option to add a new card. You will be prompted to enter your debit card information. Input your card number as it appears on the front of the card. Next, enter the expiration date located on the card. Now, enter the 3-digit security code found on the back of your debit card. Once you have filled in all the required fields, tap on the Add or Continue button. You may be asked to verify your identity. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. You might receive a one-time password via SMS or email for security purposes. Enter that code into the app when prompted. After successful verification, your Huntington debit card will be activated for use in the mobile wallet. You can now start making contactless payments with your Huntington debit card. Be sure to check for any additional settings or options in the app for managing your card preferences. Congratulations! Your card is now ready for easy and secure transactions with your mobile wallet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.